Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, east central Boone County in north central Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Capron, or near Poplar Grove, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harvard, Capron, and Cameron. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.